Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today in this video, asking me a lot how I can help you to copy my trades with QUOTEX, and definitely it's not possible. QUOTEX don't have that option, but in this video, I had a present for you. And I'm gonna explain the way we are gonna using it and how we are gonna trade using this broker. So let's roll with this video. Hey, good morning, traders. Welcome to the next way trading. And the idea to I don't know, create a bigger community on this channel. I try to help you. Sometimes I'm not perfect. Sometimes I'll lose money too with my trades. Sometimes I have a great days, so I'm waiting for that. I have a great day. Remember that I start my trading month with almost $500, so I need to end in my month with a bigger amount of that. So I have a few losses the last week, so I'm trying to recover this week. I promise to you and guarantee you we are gonna end in the month with profits with my social trading. So I start with $500 was my beginning with my social trading, but with QUOTEX totally different. So it's not possible. I try to investigate more about how you can copy my trades with pocket option, but don't have that option through us. But so for that reason, I have for you this little present, and it's a script. This script is for binary options. So I have this indicator for binary options. This is the way I'm gonna give it to you. You can use it with QUOTEX, and QUOTEX have the a good advantage. You can put your pending trades. So if you put your pending trades, you're gonna have a better option the moment you trade. For example, these lines I put it here. Okay, I analyze the market. I'm watching this and waiting for this to trade, right? But the indicator is gonna send to you more alerts. This one is for sale, so this is support and resistance for you, totally free. The indicator is this one. Let's go to delete this, and this is the indicator. Let's go to open the new one. This one here. So the indicator send me this. Okay, you have a good moment to trade for a put on this SR. So with QUOTEX, you can select, depends the pairs you are watching. Obviously, you can think every NZD doesn't have it with QUOTEX, but you put your pending alert here. See, pending alert. You put the SR, the time frame, the minutes you're gonna trade, and the amount you're gonna trade. With this, I watching the charts in 15 minutes. So 15 minutes. We are gonna trade for a put in the 15 minutes. My advice to using this: always search the extremes. Okay, always watch the extremes. Let's see what that means. For example, this is breaking this support and resistance. So it's not a good idea. We have an uptrend here, so definitely it's gonna break up this one in a good moment. A good example here is a good one. I'm waiting for this or this, maybe touching here and going up. And it's not always it's gonna share with me the extremes, or the best options. This indicator, what that means, for example, the indicator send me this signal here and maybe never gonna touch it again. So send me this SR. So I'm waiting for this. If we break up quickly, I'm gonna wait obviously for the second SR, and I'm gonna trade for a call for 15 minutes. That's it. I'm gonna trade for 15 minutes with this indicator. That's it. It's the way that this works. It's not complicated. It's easy. It's simple to understand. Don't require too much experience. So we can wait for a good opportunity to trade with this indicator. And how you can get it? Well, I say I'm gonna share with you totally free, and this is the truth, because all you have to do is using the link to register with the QUOTEX here, make your deposit and send to us your information by email. And by email, we are gonna answer you, and we are gonna send to you this script for only IQ option. This is the truth. It's working only with IQ option. But this is the way that I use it, right? This is the way that I use it, and the way that I trade. I trade too with IQ option, and I trade too with QUOTEX. So if you want to use it, this indicator, you can send me, you can register using the link below this video and make your deposit, and my team is gonna send to you your script totally free. So to get it, remember, you only using the link below this video, register and send me your information. Let's go to get it. And I lost my chance here, maybe. Let's go to wait. This is my lines. I'm waiting. See, respected many others that I sent. So we need to wait for a good chances. I think I lost this chance here. Was a good one. Let's go to wait to see if respected or not. And this is the way that this indicator works. You can trade, we only follow this simple indicator, don't require too much time. Put in 15 minutes, put your alerts, wait, put your pending order, always watch the market, maybe start a flotation because have 3 news, I don't know. Always stay tuned at the market. This is so important before to using any indicator for binary options or for Forex or for cryptocurrencies, whatever. So if you want to use it, remember, let's go to watch this. This is this one, and we are gonna trade for 15 minutes for a put. And what is the other one? Now this is, I'm gonna move it this for a bigger or higher SR. Which one is the last one? This is my support and resistance, so I put it there. So we need to wait to if we have a good moment to take it. So I hope this video like it. Remember, using the link below this video, it's gonna send to you free signals. Is something that I like using it. If you want to get it free, remember using the link, the QUOTEX, the broker QUOTEX, to using this indicator, register and make your deposit. And why with QUOTEX? Because with QUOTEX you can have pending orders, so it's gonna be easy to use it. I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.